Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to cure cold. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I would like to inform everyone that I am not a doctor. So this is just a tip, no? If you want to make sure you can visit your doctor for further medical evaluation and checkups. So how to cure cold? Curing a cold typical involves managing the symptoms and allowing your body's immune system to fight off the viral infection. Here are some general tips for relieving cold symptoms and promoting recovery. Number 1, rest. Get a plenty of rest to allow your body to recover. Adequate rest helps your immune system function optimally. Number 2, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids such as water, herbal tea, clear broth, and fruit juices. Hydration helps thin mucus and keep your throat moist. Number 3, warm liquids. Liquids like soup, herbal teas, or warm water with honey and lemon can smooth a sore throat and provide comfort. Number 4, humidity the air. Use a modifier in your room to keep the air moist. Moist air can help ease congestion and smooth irritated nasal passages. Let us proceed with number 5, saline nasal spray. Use saline nasal sprays or rices to help alleviate nasal congestion and keep nasal passages moist. Number 6, gargle with salt water. Gargling with warm salt water can help smooth a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Number 7, over-the-counter or OTC medications. Consider using OTC medications to alleviate symptoms such as pain relievers. Example, acetaminophen or ibuprofen for for fever and body aches. Decongestants for nasal congestions and cough suppressants or expectorants for cough. Number 8, steam inhalation. Inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water or taking a hot shower can help loosen mucus and relieve nasal congestion. Number 9, stay warm. Keep yourself warm and cozy, especially if you have chills or fever. Dress in layers and use blankets to maintain a comfortable temperature. Number 10, eat nutritious foods. Consuming a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can support your immune system. Include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your meals. Number 11, avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke. Smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke can worsen cold symptoms and prolong recovery time. Avoid tobacco smoke to help your body heal. Lastly, number 12, practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water and avoid close contact with people who have cold symptoms to prevent the spread of the virus. While these measures can help alleviate cold symptoms and promote recovery, it's essential to consult with the healthcare professionals like doctors if your symptoms are severe, persist for an extended period, or if you have underlying health conditions. Additionally, if you are experience difficulty breathing, chest pain, or severe dehydration, seek medical attention immediately as this may indicate complications requiring urgent medical care. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to cure cold. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jack saying bye bye for now.